We used to have Apple Pay, but now things have changed. Same with other payment apps such as Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet. What's the difference between Apple Pay and Apple Wallet? Let's find out in this video. So Apple Pay is the built-in payment system in Apple devices to tap and pay. We add a payment card in the phone settings and use it on the contactless terminals. The device uses NFC, near field communication technology. However, that's all it does. Other than tap and pay, Apple Pay does nothing. So as the world grew, we found out that we can do more with NFC. Hence they made a separate app titled Apple Wallet. Apple Wallet is a digital wallet app to store your payment cards, car keys, loyalty cards, tickets, boarding passes and transport passes. It has region-specific options as well. In the US, people can send and receive money using Apple Cash, which is built into Apple Wallet. The app can display the balance of supported cards in supported regions. Thirdly, the Pay Later feature is also built into Apple Wallet to buy now and pay later. Finally, in some areas, people can store their driver's license and present it when needed. All those features are in Apple Wallet, which we must set up before accessing them. If you want to know what is supported in your region, just open it and see what comes up. Now Apple Pay is still a separate service. We can add cards in the phone settings, but all those cards are saved in Apple Wallet now. And when we pay with our iPhone, Apple Wallet uses Apple Pay. Also, Apple has added a feature to automatically add your online orders in Apple Wallet. If you shop using Apple Pay, you'll find those orders in the app. Those can also be tracked from here. Again, it supports limited businesses in limited regions at the moment. So both are connected when it comes to paying with your card or paying online. Apple Wallet is there if you like to use it, but just for paying in store and online, Apple Pay would be enough. Also, even though we have an app now, all the Apple Pay and wallet settings are still in the phone settings. We can see, verify and remove cards from here. If your transport service supports payment cards, you can make one of those as an express card. With that, you can tap your phone against the terminal and pay without unlocking the phone. Now let's talk about Apple Watch. I don't have an Apple Watch, but I think it supports most of the card types that we can add on our iPhones. I don't know about the transit cards in express mode, but those should be in there. Anyway, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. Catch you next time. Take care.